Hello to everyone. Today I made 3D model of concrete mixer drum in FreeCAD. So first thing is that this task was very special for me because it was the first task given by my dad. So let's begin. This is an official website of our factory in which we manufacture many construction making machines. So I will show you which drum I made. This is a simple concrete mixer, and you see that here this drum I made in FreeCAD. So I will show you. Now everything was same in my previous video and in this video. In my previous video I told everything, that how I made 3D models and the program behind them. So you can see my previous video in the link given below. Now I will show you the program I made for my drum. Only one thing is different in this video and my previous video is that this drum is also tells us, this program also tells us the capacity of the drum according to the dimensions given by us. So in this program contains two functions. This is a first function, and this is a according to me this is a second function, because to make this drum we need 5 circles. So I made the function make circle, which will call the above function 5 times, and this second function contains the placement of that 5 circles. So now in my previous video I copied this code and pasted it in a Python console. So this is also a new thing in this video. I copied my code in a FreeCAD mode. It is an easy way to run our program. So I will show you that. This is a startup icon of the FreeCAD. Just wait for a couple of seconds. It's open. This is our Python console. Here we have to put our code. Like I copied my code in FreeCAD mode. So first I import my file name, and then we have to write our file name dot our function and write all these dimensions. I will put the original dimensions of the drum. You can put any dimensions in it. So let's take radius 1 279.4, radius 2 463.55, and height 1 355.6, height 2 431.8, and the last dimension is height 3 152.4. Press enter. Now you can see that our drum is ready now according to the dimensions given by us. And here you can see that it also tells the volume of the drum. So this was a new thing in this video. So I thought that when the customers come in our factory, they only see the pictures of that machines. So I agree with my dad that it may be or it will be impressive for them to see the 3D model. So this is all about my task. Hope so you will like that. Thank you.